Early Black Friday deals are here, bringing you amazing discounts on your favorite products before the big rush. It's the perfect time to grab gifts, upgrade your gadgets, or treat yourself, all while saving big. From top tech to home essentials, these deals help you get more for less. Shop early, beat the crowds, and enjoy incredible savings while they last. All of the discount links are in the description below. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. BISSELL carpet cleaner was $94.99, now $84.99. Power through stubborn spills and pet stains with BISSELL carpet cleaner, your go-to machine for fresher floors, cleaner couches, and happy pets. You get powerful spray, scrub, and suction action that pulls deep dirt and odors from carpets, upholstery, and even car seats. Every purchase supports BISSELL Pet Foundation, so you clean while helping animals in need. Compact storage makes it perfect for small homes. You'll love faster cleanup, fresher air, and confidence against everyday messes. Ego Power Plus 12-inch electric snow shovel was $369, now $299. Blast through winter snow with the Ego Power Plus 12-inch electric snow shovel. Fast clearing, cordless freedom, and serious throwing power in a compact tool. You'll cut through up to 6 inches of snow and toss it 25 feet with controlled direction. Included 2.5 amp-hour battery and charger keep you moving, while the brushless motor boosts power and runtime. The hinged shaft makes storage simple. Your driveways and walkways stay clear without heavy lifting or noisy gas engines. Just smooth, efficient snow removal. Soundcore by Anker Q20i was $70, now $40. Escape noise, boost clarity, and enjoy deep, powerful bass. Your everyday listening just leveled up with smart sound control and long-lasting comfort. With 60 hours of battery life, you get hybrid ANC that cuts up to 90% of background noise, making travel, work, or study calmer and clearer. Oversized drivers deliver punchy sound, and quick charge keeps you going for hours. Dual device pairing helps you switch between calls and music instantly. Plus, you can customize EQ and switch modes in the app for personalized listening. Next, Shark Upright Vacuum was $219.99, now $119.99. Power through dust, pet hair, and deep down dirt with powerful suction and smart lift-away cleaning that reaches floors, stairs, and tight spots with ease. You'll love how easily you switch from carpets to hard floors, keeping every room spotless. Lift-away mode helps you clean furniture and stairs without wrestling the machine. Anti-allergen seal and HEPA filtration trap dust, great for allergy-prone homes. Pet tools make hair cleanup simple, and the large dust cup means longer cleaning before emptying. Portable indoor space heater was $39.99, now $25.99. Warm up fast and save money. Enjoy instant comfort and targeted heating without cranking your whole house system or waiting forever to feel cozy. You'll get rapid ceramic heating that spreads warmth evenly in bedrooms, offices, or living rooms. Adjustable thermostat and 3 heat levels let you control comfort your way, while fan mode adds flexibility. Compact size and built-in handle make moving room to room effortless. Safety features like tip over and overheat protection give you peace of mind during daily use. Keurig K-Elite coffee maker was $209.99, now $127.30. Experience cafe quality coffee at home with a machine designed for bold flavor, quick mornings, and refreshing iced brews. All in one sleek setup. You get multiple cup sizes from 4 to 12 ounces, plus a strong brew option when you want extra richness. Customize temperature, brew in minutes, and enjoy iced coffee at a tap. Hot water on demand makes oatmeal or soup effortless. With a 75-ounce reservoir and maintenance reminders, you spend less time prepping and more time sipping. Ninja Mega Kitchen Blender was $219.99, now $159.99. Crush ice like snow, whip smoothies to perfection, and knead dough in seconds. This powerhouse turns your kitchen into a real prep station. With a 1,500-watt motor, you blend frozen fruit effortlessly and chop ingredients evenly every time. Enjoy XL batch blending for family drinks, or switch to single-serve cups for busy mornings. You also get a processor bowl for dough and chopping tasks. Cleanup stays simple with dishwasher-safe parts, so you spend more time enjoying your creations. EHEYCIGA Orthopedic Dog Beds was $49.99, now $39.98. You're going to love how this orthopedic dog bed turns nap time into pure comfort for your furry buddy. Memory foam and egg crate support help ease pressure on aging joints, giving your senior dog real relief. Plus, raised bolsters let your pup rest their head like royalty. Waterproof protection keeps things fresh, and the removable cover makes cleaning a breeze. You'll feel confident knowing you're giving your pet a cozy, supportive space that truly improves their rest and overall comfort. Soundcore P30i by Anker was $29.99, now $24.99. Enjoy premium comfort, strong noise cancellation, and a convenient phone stand charging case, perfect for travel, work, and everyday entertainment without breaking your flow or your budget. You get adaptive ANC that blocks up to 42 decibels, punchy bass-up sound, and clear calls powered by 4-mic AI tech. Easily switch to transparency mode when you need awareness. Seamless Bluetooth 5.4 pairing keeps things smooth, while up to 45 hours of playtime ensures you stay powered through trips, workouts, and daily routines. Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus was $129, now $99. Wake up to rich aroma, smooth crema, and barista-style flavor at home. Perfect for anyone who wants cafe-quality coffee without complicated steps or bulky machines. You get one-touch brewing, 30-second heat up, and multiple cup sizes. From bold espresso shots to big morning mugs. Compact design fits tight spaces, while over 40 capsule options keep your taste buds excited. Enjoy consistently smooth, full-bodied coffee with precision brewing, plus recyclable capsules for a more responsible daily caffeine routine. Hisense 50-inch E6 QLED Smart TV was $379.99, now $219.99. Step into stunning colors, cinematic clarity, and immersive sound. Perfect for movies, sports, and gaming fans who want premium performance without the premium price tag. You experience rich QLED visuals with over 1 billion shades, smooth motion for fast action, and sharper upscaled content. Dolby Vision and Atmos bring true theater vibes at home, while Fire TV gives easy access to your favorite apps. Voice control with Alexa, AI brightness, and Wi-Fi 6 make everyday viewing smarter and smoother. GiveBest Portable Electric Space Heater was $32.99, now $25.49. Warm up your space quickly, quietly, and safely, whether you're working, relaxing, or cozying up in the bedroom on chilly days and nights. You get 2 heat settings, plus a fan mode, making it useful year-round. Compact design and carry handle let you heat only the room you're in, helping save on energy bills. Safety features like tip-over and overheat protection add peace of mind, while ceramic heating delivers fast warmth for rooms up to 200 square feet without loud noise. KitchenAid 5-speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer was $59.99, now $44.95. Whip, blend, and mix like a pro with smooth control, quiet power, and effortless handling. Perfect for everyday baking, quick recipes, and delicious homemade treats. You get 5 speeds to handle everything from gently folding chocolate chips to whipping airy meringue. Swivel cord stays out of your way, and you can eject beaters with a simple one-hand button press. Stainless steel turbo beaters mix thoroughly and clean easily in the dishwasher, making your kitchen prep faster, easier, and more enjoyable. National Tree Company Artificial Full Christmas Tree was $699.99, now $399.99. Bring warm holiday magic into your home with a full, lifelike fur that instantly sets a festive mood and makes decorating feel extra special. You get a 9-foot tree with lush, realistic branches that offer plenty of space for ornaments and lights. Hinged branches drop into place for an easy setup, and packing away is just as simple. Enjoy hypoallergenic, fire-resistant needles and a sturdy metal base, giving you years of joyful celebrations and picture-perfect holiday moments. Airmoto and Power Kit Bundle Deal was $99.99, now $73.99. Stay prepared on the road with a compact cordless inflator that delivers fast, accurate tire inflation and gives you real peace of mind during travel. You can top up car, bike, or motorcycle tires in minutes with precise PSI control and automatic shutoff. Bright LCD and built-in flashlight help in low light, while multiple valve adapters handle sports balls and small inflatables easily. Rechargeable battery, portable case, and easy controls make emergency tire care simple, convenient, and stress-free. Ring battery doorbell was $99.99, now $72.99. You get two-way talk, real-time motion notifications, and smart alerts that can identify people and packages. Built-in battery recharges via USB-C, so installation is simple. Just charge, mount, and connect. View live footage, review activity with subscription features, and pair with Alexa devices for hands-free monitoring and convenient voice-controlled security. Novilla Queen Size Mattress was $299.99, now $219.99. Sleep cooler, wake refreshed, and enjoy cloud-like comfort with supportive foam layers designed to cradle your body and keep nights peaceful and pain-free. You get gel-infused memory foam for cooling, pressure-relieving support for spine alignment, and motion-isolating layers so partner movement won't disturb you. Breathable cover boosts airflow, while CertiPur US certified foam ensures a safe sleep environment. Arrives compressed in a box and fits any queen frame. Just unbox, let it expand, and enjoy a deeper, more comfortable rest. DEWALT Cordless Drill 2-Tool Combo Kit was $249, now $169. Power through projects with compact strength, smooth control, and bright LED visibility. Perfect for DIY upgrades, home repairs, and tight space tasks where precision matters. You benefit from a lightweight design that fits comfortably in your hand, plus an ergonomic grip that keeps control steady. Variable speed trigger helps you handle delicate surfaces and tougher jobs with ease. Quick release hex chuck makes bit changes fast, while the built-in LED light with delayed shutoff keeps dark corners bright as you work. ECOFLOW Delta 3 Portable Power Station was $599, now $399. You get 1800 watt power, 3600 watt surge to run essentials like fridges, microwaves, and laptops, plus expansion support for heavier loads. Recharge to 80% in just 45 minutes, or pair with solar for clean energy outdoors. Under 10 millisecond UPS keeps sensitive devices safe, while LifePO4 cells deliver years of dependable use. Control everything easily through the smart app for hassle-free backup power. Dyson Supersonic Origin Hair Dryer was $419.99, now $219.99. You enjoy powerful airflow that dries without damage, helping boost smoothness, reduce frizz, and increase natural shine. Smart temperature control checks heat multiple times per second to protect strands. Lightweight design and one styling concentrator make daily styling effortless. Say goodbye to rough textures and uneven heat. This tool keeps your hair healthy, sleek, and beautifully finished every time. Anker Soundcore 2 was $44.99, now $27.99. You'll love how this compact speaker delivers deep, punchy bass and vibrant clarity, perfect for camping, pool parties, or chill nights at home. Enjoy up to 24 hours of non-stop music powered by a long-lasting battery, so your playlists keep going as long as you do. Pair it wirelessly for an immersive stereo experience and take your sound anywhere, effortlessly. ANDERY car phone holder was $44.98, now $26.96. Experience next-level convenience with a car mount that keeps your phone secure, cool, and perfectly positioned wherever you go. You'll love the powerful magnetic grip that holds steady through bumps and turns, while the 360-degree rotation gives you the best viewing angle every time. Its strong adhesive suction combo ensures rock-solid stability without damaging your dashboard. Adjust it effortlessly. Drive hands-free and enjoy smooth navigation on every trip, because your phone deserves the same reliability as your ride. Anker Compact Travel Power Bank was $25.99, now $15.59. You get 10,000 milliamp hours of reliable power, enough for multiple phone or tablet charges. Packed into a durable, scratch-resistant design, USB-C two-way charging means faster recharges and easier connections. Compact yet tough, it's built to handle everyday drops and movement. Perfect for work, road trips, or outdoor adventures when staying connected truly matters. Jack and Rose Travel Steamer was $81.99, now $45.99. Keep your clothes fresh and wrinkle-free anywhere you travel with a compact, powerful steamer that heats fast and adapts to any global voltage. You enjoy 15-second heat up and strong 248 degrees Fahrenheit steam that smooths everything from silk to denim with ease. The dual function lets you steam or dry iron, perfect for quick touch-ups on business trips or vacations. Lightweight and easy to pack, it includes a travel bag and auto shutoff for safe, effortless, and stylish on-the-go care. Shark Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum was $599, now $299. You'll love how it maps your home with precision, tackles every corner with Matrix Clean technology, and never misses a spot. Powerful suction and an anti-hair wrap brush make it ideal for pet owners. With app or voice control, it's the ultimate hands-free cleaning solution that keeps your home spotless, fresh, and effortlessly maintained. Drio Top Fill Humidifiers was $59.99, now $49.99. You'll enjoy hours of continuous comfort with its large 6-liter tank and ultra-quiet operation, perfect for bedrooms or nurseries. A smart humidity sensor maintains ideal moisture automatically, while the top fill design makes refilling effortless. With customizable mist settings, essential oil support, and easy cleaning, you get cleaner, fresher air and a more comfortable living space every day. Philips Norelco Shaver 3900 series was $79.96, now $49.99. Experience a shave so smooth and gentle that your skin feels refreshed, not irritated. Whether you're rushing in the morning or relaxing at night, you'll appreciate its 5D pivot head that glides effortlessly along your face and neck, ensuring precision and comfort. With Skin Protect technology and comfort cut blades, every pass feels effortless. Use it wet or dry, trim edges with the pop-up trimmer, and enjoy up to 60 minutes of cordless performance that fits your daily routine perfectly. Beats Solo 4 was $199.95, now $129.95. Feel every beat, every note, and every detail with immersive sound that moves with you, designed for comfort, clarity, and endless listening sessions. You'll enjoy personalized spatial audio that adapts to your head movement, creating a surround sound experience like never before. With up to 50 hours of battery life and quick charging, your music never stops. Lightweight, ultra-comfortable design and seamless Bluetooth pairing make it perfect for travel, workouts, or daily commutes. Pure performance packed into every beat. Homemade electric heated blanket was $419.99, now $219.99. Quickly heats up and maintains just the right temperature with intelligent adjustment technology. Soft flannel and Sherpa layers add luxurious comfort while keeping energy costs low. With 10 heat levels, automatic shutoff, and a long power cord, you get warmth, safety, and convenience, all in one relaxing experience. Tefal Non-Stick Cookware Set 14-piece was $89.99, now $69.99. Transform every meal into a masterpiece with cookware that makes cooking effortless and cleanup a breeze. You'll experience perfectly heated pans every time, thanks to smart heat indicator technology that ensures flawless results. Non-stick titanium coating keeps food sliding smoothly, while durable hard-anodized construction stands up to daily use. Comfortable silicone handles and vented lids make cooking safer and easier. Whether you're frying, simmering, or sautéing, this set helps you cook like a pro right in your kitchen. Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge was $1,219.99, now $819.99. Experience the stunning Samsung S25 Edge, a super slim, ultra-light phone that feels as powerful as it looks. You'll love its 200 megapixel camera that captures every detail with breathtaking clarity. Powered by Samsung's most advanced processor, it handles everything from photo editing to multitasking effortlessly. Built with titanium and Gorilla Glass ceramic too, it's sleek yet incredibly tough. Enjoy AI-driven features that make your day smoother, from smarter selfies to instant photo searches. Style, strength, and intelligence in one device.